Imagine a world hidden within our own, a place of mystery and wonder lying beneath the surface we know. This is the intriguing idea behind the Hollow Earth theory, a concept that has captivated imaginations for centuries. Emerging in the 17th century, the Hollow Earth theory proposed that our planet is not a solid sphere, but rather a hollow shell containing a vast, unexplored inner world. Early proponents of this theory drew inspiration from ancient myths and legends, many of which featured subterranean realms inhabited by strange creatures and civilizations. This fascination with the unknown, coupled with the limited scientific understanding of the Earth's interior at the time, allowed the Hollow Earth theory to take root in the public consciousness. While the idea of a world beneath our feet may seem like pure fantasy today, it's important to remember that the 17th century was a time of great scientific discovery. The very notion that the Earth revolved around the Sun was still a relatively new concept, and much of our planet remained unexplored. In this context, the Hollow Earth theory, however improbable, held a certain allure for those who dared to dream of the impossible. One of the most prominent figures associated with the Hollow Earth theory was Sir Edmond Halley, the renowned English astronomer who accurately predicted the return of the comet that now bears his name. Halley was a man of many talents and interests, and his contributions to science extended far beyond his work on comets. In 1692, Halley presented a paper to the Royal Society, proposing that the Earth was not solid, but rather composed of a series of concentric shells, each separated by a layer of atmosphere. This idea was revolutionary at the time and sparked considerable debate among his peers. Halley's model was based on his observations of the Earth's magnetic field, which he believed could not be explained by a solid Earth alone. He theorized that the magnetic anomalies he observed could be due to the presence of multiple magnetic poles located within the planet's interior. According to Halley, these multiple magnetic poles were situated within the different shells of the Earth, each contributing to the overall magnetic field observed on the surface. This was a bold hypothesis that challenged the conventional understanding of the Earth's structure. He suggested that each shell might have its own atmosphere and even its own inhabitants, potentially more advanced than those on the Earth's surface. This idea captured the imagination of many, and led to various speculations about what these inner worlds might be like. While Halley's scientific contributions are undeniable, his Hollow Earth hypothesis was met with skepticism even in his own time. Many of his contemporaries found the idea too far-fetched and lacking in empirical evidence. Critics argued that there was no evidence to support the existence of these inner shells, and that the immense pressure at the Earth's core would make such a structure impossible. They pointed out that the known laws of physics did not support Halley's theory. Despite these criticisms, Halley's Hollow Earth theory continued to intrigue both scientists and the general public. The idea of hidden worlds beneath our feet was too fascinating to be dismissed outright. Over time, the theory evolved and was adapted by various thinkers and writers, each adding their own twists and interpretations. Some even suggested that these inner worlds could be accessed through hidden entrances at the poles. Nevertheless, Halley's reputation as a brilliant scientist lent a degree of credibility to the Hollow Earth theory, ensuring its continued presence in scientific and popular discourse. His willingness to explore unconventional ideas serves as a reminder of the importance of curiosity and open-mindedness in the pursuit of knowledge. Despite its intriguing premise, the Hollow Earth theory faced increasing scrutiny from the scientific community as our understanding of the Earth and its properties advanced. The idea that our planet could be hollow, with vast empty spaces or even entire civilizations hidden beneath the surface, was a captivating notion that sparked the imagination of many. However, as scientific methods and technologies evolved, the evidence began to paint a very different picture. One of the most significant blows to the theory came from the work of French mathematicians Pierre Bouguer and Charles Hutton in the 18th century. These pioneering scientists were among the first to apply rigorous mathematical and experimental techniques to the study of the Earth's structure. Bouguer and Hutton independently conducted experiments to measure the Earth's density, a crucial factor in determining its internal structure. By studying the gravitational pull of mountains and other large land masses, they were able to infer the density of the Earth as a whole. Their findings indicated that the Earth was far denser than previously thought, making the existence of vast hollow spaces within it highly improbable. This was a major setback for proponents of the Hollow Earth theory, as it suggested that the planet's interior was filled with solid or molten material, rather than empty voids. Furthermore, the theory of gravity, as formulated by Sir Isaac Newton, provided a compelling explanation for the Earth's spherical shape and its gravitational pull, further undermining the plausibility of a hollow interior. Newton's laws of motion and universal gravitation explained how the Earth could maintain its shape and structure without collapsing in on itself. The gravitational forces at play would cause any hollow spaces to collapse under the immense pressure, leading to a solid and stable structure. This understanding of gravity and its effects on planetary bodies was a crucial piece of the puzzle in debunking the hollow Earth theory. The weight of scientific evidence against the hollow Earth theory continued to mount throughout the 19th and 20th centuries. As new discoveries were made and our knowledge of the Earth's geology and physics expanded, the idea of a hollow planet became increasingly untenable. Advances in seismology, the study of earthquakes, allowed scientists to analyze the Earth's internal structure in unprecedented detail. By measuring the way seismic waves traveled through the planet, researchers could create detailed maps of its interior layers. These studies confirmed the presence of a solid core and a molten mantle, providing further evidence against the hollow Earth theory. The behavior of seismic waves indicated that the Earth's interior was composed of different layers, each with its own distinct properties. The development of modern drilling techniques, while still unable to reach the Earth's core, further corroborated these findings. By extracting samples from deep within the Earth's crust, scientists were able to study the composition and properties of the materials found there. These samples provided additional evidence that the Earth's interior was solid and complex, rather than hollow. With each new discovery, the hollow Earth theory was pushed further into the realm of science fiction, putting the final nails in the coffin of the hollow Earth as a viable scientific theory. Despite its waning scientific credibility, the hollow Earth theory found a new lease on life in the realm of literature and popular culture. The concept, though debunked by modern science, provided fertile ground for the imaginations of writers and storytellers. It offered a canvas upon which they could paint vivid and fantastical worlds, hidden just beneath the surface of our own. The idea of a hidden world beneath our feet, teeming with strange creatures and lost civilizations, proved irresistible to writers seeking to captivate their audiences with tales of adventure and wonder. This concept allowed authors to explore themes of discovery, danger, and the unknown, all while pushing the boundaries of their readers' imaginations. One of the most famous examples of the hollow Earth in literature is Jules Verne's classic novel, Journey to the Center of the Earth, published in 1864. Verne's work is a cornerstone of science fiction, blending scientific curiosity with imaginative storytelling. His detailed descriptions and innovative ideas set the stage for countless other works in the genre. Verne's story follows the adventures of Professor Otto Lidenbrock and his companions as they embark on a perilous expedition to the Earth's interior, encountering prehistoric creatures and breathtaking landscapes along the way. The novel's blend of scientific exploration and fantastical elements captivated readers and inspired future generations of writers and adventurers alike. Verne's vivid descriptions and imaginative scenarios captured the public's imagination, solidifying the hollow Earth status as a staple of science fiction and fantasy. His ability to weave together scientific facts with speculative fiction created a sense of wonder and possibility that resonated deeply with his audience. The hollow Earth trope continued to appear in numerous other works of fiction, from Edgar Rice Burroughs' Pellucidar series, featuring a prehistoric world existing within the Earth's core. Burroughs expanded on the idea, creating a rich and detailed world filled with its own unique flora and fauna, as well as complex societies and cultures. To Edgar Allan Poe's The Narrative of Arthur Gordon Pym of Nantucket, a chilling tale of a whaling ship's journey to a mysterious land at the South Pole. Poe's work, while less scientifically grounded, delved into the psychological and existential aspects of exploration and the unknown, adding a layer of depth and intrigue to the hollow Earth narrative. These stories, while often scientifically inaccurate, reflected the enduring human fascination with the unknown and the possibility of hidden worlds beyond our everyday experience. They tapped into a primal curiosity and a desire to explore the uncharted territories of our planet and our minds, reminding us that there is always more to discover both within and beyond the world we know.